When you install solar and you install a lot of it, sometimes you're going to need to be able to tell the solar system to knock it off because you can't control when the sun's shining and how brightly it shines. And this system has a lot of inverters. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. There's 20 inverters on this site. So all of them need to be told to knock it off if it's producing too much. So we're gonna take a look at our comms box right here, and I'll show you how it knows and how it tells it to do the thing. So there's a lot going on in here, and let me show you the big things. So we've got, this is our battery, our UPS, that if the power goes down, if the grid goes down and the inverters go down, doesn't have power anymore, needs a backup. You got your power supply, you got your actual UPS is the battery, that's the UPS for the battery. You have your meter, which tells you how much you are actually producing and sending out. This is the main data logger, sends all the information out. A couple of switches, and down here we have a fiber line coming in from a central computing area that tells it whether to knock it off or not. So we got the fiber coming in here. This goes into our RTAC, our real-time automation controller from SEL. It's a 3505, and that goes into there. This goes out to the rest of the switches, and then what this is actually going to talk to tell the inverters to knock it off is this thing. How do you know all of this, Derek, you might ask? Well, I just spent like 3 or 4 weeks trying to reverse engineer how this works, because we just replaced this data manager a couple of months ago, and we only figured out recently that the inverters were not actually knocking it off when they were trying to tell it to knock it off. There is one communications wire that goes into this data manager how it's currently set up. It's just connected to the rest of this local network. And when this gets signals via Modbus from this RTAC, this then talks to the rest of the inverters, which are all these cables. Everything's hooked up via switches, and they get sent out and over to our inverters, all the good inverters of the system, and then they knock it off. It's pretty cool when it works and you know how to get it set up to work again, but fortunately it is now set up to work again, and now I can go home.